Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see about top 5 AI skills you absolutely need to learn in 2025. If you want to stay ahead in the fast evolving world of artificial intelligence, whether you are a beginner or already in the field, these skills will keep you relevant and in demand. Why AI skill matters in 2025? AI is evolving super fast. Models like Google Gemini, GPT 4.5, and open source LLMs are changing how we work and build tech. Companies want people who can make with the latest tools and apply AI in real world scenarios. So, what are the skills that will set you apart in 2025? Let's find out. Number one, mastering large language models. The first skill is working with large language models like GPT, Gemini, and open source ones like Star, Coder, or Llama. Learn how to fine tune these models for custom tasks, get comfortable with prompt engineering, crafting prompts to get the best AI responses, know how to integrate LLMs into apps using APIs. These skills let you build smart chatbots, connect generators, and more. Number two, multimodal AI. Multimodal AI, which combines text, images, and sometimes audio or video. For example, Google Gemini can understand and generate context using text and images. Learn to build applications like that can interpret pictures and text together. Think smarter assistants or visual search tools like OpenAI's Clip and Gemini's multimodal models are great starting point. Multimodal AI is a future of interactive and immersive tech. Next, prompt engineering and AI ethics. A very important but often overlooked skill is prompt engineering and AI ethics. Prompt engineering means designing precise inputs for AI to get reliable, accurate outputs. AI ethics involves understanding biases, fairness, and responsible AI uses. Companies value AI practitioners who build safe and fair AI systems. Number four, automated machine learning, AutoML. AutoML tools let you build models faster without deep coding. Learn platforms like Google Vertex AI AutoML or Azure AutoML. Understand how to use AutoML for tasks like image classification, tabular data, and NLP. This skill helps you quickly prototype and deploy AI solutions. Finally, MLOps and model deployment skills are critical. Know how to deploy AI models in production using cloud services like AWS, GCP, or Azure. Learn monitoring, scaling, and versioning models for real world uses. Tools like Kubernetes, Docker, and CI CD pipelines are essential here. So, these are the top 5 AI skills to learn in 2025 to boost your career and stay future ready. I hope this video finds you well. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.